Unlike a traditional box spring, the Smart Box Spring is made of solid steel that comes together in no time and is backed by our Zinus Peace of Mind 5-year warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Durably engineered. Durable steel is used to construct the inside framework of this foundation. Twin size supports a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, while all other sizes can support up to 700 pounds. Number 2. Low profile design. A 5 inches height is perfect for taller mattresses or for those who enjoy their bed lower to the floor. Number 3. Thoughtfully packaged. All parts, tools, and instructions are packed into one compact box that ships straight to your door. Number 4. Inspired by nature. Wholesome and natural ingredients, like green tea and moisture-absorbing charcoal work wonders in a mattress. And we've designed this one to control odors, maintain freshness, and envelop your shape so you awake restored and refreshed. Number 5. Pressure-relieving foams. 1.5 inches conforming memory foam and 4.5 inches durable, high-density base support foam. Ideal for back sleepers and average weight sleepers. Number 6. CertiPUR US Certified. Highest quality foam is CertiPUR US Certified for durability, performance, and content. Number 7. Expertly packaged. Our technology allows this mattress to be efficiently compressed into one box that's easily shipped and maneuvered into the bedroom. Simply unbox, unroll, and this mattress does the rest, expanding to its original shape within 72 hours. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.